Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this property like landmark, reviews, location, price, amenities of the property and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. Room category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room rate, amenities, facilities, and usages, etc. Room category second. Category third. Category fourth. Category fifth. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is attractive and guests fully enjoy the surroundings. There is on self-check credit cards are reserved. The right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, below to link in description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming